Hi, in this video, I'm going to show how you can use ReARM to detect whether any of your dependencies are affected by Shai-Hulud attack. To do so, we will use a feature called Search by SBOM Components that's been introduced in ReARM a while back. So from the home page, I click here on Search by SBOM Components. And here we'll start with just a simple mode. I'll revisit briefly how that works. So for example, we want to know if we have Apollo in any of our dependencies. So I type Apollo here, I click find, and in a bit it returns me and gives me a list of all my dependency package URLs that have Apollo either in the group or in the name. As you can see, that's a fairly large list. So I can filter it by version, drill it down. So for example, let's say I want to check for this version, 19.0.0. So I click find again. So now I'm down to only 2 package URLs. Let's say now I'm interested in this particular dependency. I can click on it, and ReARM will let me know all the releases that had this package as a dependency. So far, so good. So now for Shai-Hulud 2, we have about 1,000 NPM packages that are affected. Searching all of them here manually would be tedious. So to resolve this issue, we introduced something called batch mode. So batch mode allows for input, 2 types of inputs. Either you can enter packages, one package on a line, or you can enter them in the way of a formatted JSON like this. So name of a package and then version. And version is optional in both of those cases. So now I'm going to take all packages affected by Shai-Hulud. For this, I'll go to Helix Guard blog post. You can find those in multiple sources, but this was the first article I saw on the Shai-Hulud, so I want to give them a credit here. So I'm going to copy all the affected packages with versions from here. As you can see that that's a lot of packages, about 1,000 of them. Okay, so now it's done. So I copied them all. I'm going back to ReARM, pasting them here. And now I'm going to click find. This process takes about 2-3 minutes. So I'm going to speed up the video a little bit here. So now I can see that my search is complete and there are no malicious packages found in my stack, which is a great news. So this is how we would do a search. The whole process took less than 5 minutes. I would say less than 3 minutes, which is much faster than manual search or other approaches. One thing to note, in the future, we're planning to spin our own ReARM advisory, which would allow individual ReARM instances to pull data from this advisory in case of incidents like this, like Shai-Hulud attack, and provide the timely notifications if anything is detected in the background. So rather than triggering this search from the user side, like I just showed in this video, we will have ReARM doing it automatically in the background. So this is coming. Stay tuned for updates.